All right, howdy guys. So I am just going to give you a little breakdown of lesson one and how you should walk through it. All right, so you will see if you go to your Google Classroom, obviously you're already there if you're seeing this video. The first thing will say lesson one. And it says, howdy friends, here's the breakdown of our first lesson. If you follow these steps in order, you should have no problem. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to watch the lesson one, Introduction to Dystopias. Oh my gosh, that's the first thing there. So you'll open that and it is literally a video of me teaching you what a dystopia is, right? You see me down here in the corner with Harry and it's like we're in the classroom, right? So it's a lesson. So then you'll go back to Google Classroom and then you're going to read just a short text. I say it, it's just 3 pages and it is the lottery, right? So you'll see right here, the lottery part 1 PDF, the lottery part 1 PDF. I have also though included a lottery video. So this is just the text and it's 3 pages, like I said, and you just stop right there. We're going to read the rest of it on in the next lesson. But if you do not want to read it by yourself, you can watch this video. This video is someone reading the text to you. You just need to stop at 9 minutes and 27 seconds. That is where I drew that line. And yeah, so after everything clear question mark, that is where we will be stopping for today. Once you have stopped there for today, you can watch this lesson breaking down. It is me explaining your assignment and breaking down what I need you to do. Right? It's just like this one where it's just a screen and I'm explaining the questions that I give you in your assignment, right? In paragraph 4, in paragraph 8, etc., etc. And I'm just going deeper into what you need to do. Last thing you will do is then you will answer those questions that I just explained. You will put your name, your class period, and answer those questions. If you have any other questions, you can always contact me. I am available ASAP from 10 to 11 every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but you can always contact me anytime, right? So you can this is just the general remind text. If you're not on there, I will then add you into your class period after you get in on here. A lot of you already have me, so that's not a problem. You can always DM me on Instagram, you can email me, or you can just simply comment on this post right here and I will get back to you. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. But that is all for today.